Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is a little bit of a sneaker unboxing, and we're just going to be unboxing a few pairs that I've gotten recently in the mail, some ones I've bought. About 1,500 in sneakers. I mean, I wouldn't say 1,500, but I'll kind of explain, again, the value of these sneakers, each one individually, and we'll just kind of get into it, where I maybe got them from. I might explain that. So if you want more like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Of course, I'll try and get another video to you guys tomorrow. No guarantee on that, but I will try and do something like that. We will see. And then, yeah, pretty much that's everything I got to say. Let's get into unboxing some sneakers. Got a couple interesting pairs here, so let me show you guys. Now, of course, we are missing the Dunk Low Phillies. I'll be unboxing those in a little bit later down the line. Just kind of stay tuned for that video. It will happen. But the first one we got right here is a used pair of Yeezy Onyx foam runners. This is size 10, and you guys can see these are lightly used, not too heavily, but I got these for around 130, and you can see kind of how they are. All right, nothing really too crazy there, but you can still see some of the waves on it, so it's not necessarily, there's still some life on the sneaker. It's not necessarily fully done, but getting this for 130, I thought that was a pretty decent price. If I go check market right now, why don't I do that? Yeah, so size 10 on these is going for about 185 on StockX, so after fees and everything, people are paying like $200 for these in a size 10, but I was able to get a used pair for around 130, so honestly, might just personal this one, might just put it in the collection because why not? I'm not going to find this good of a deal on a legitimate pair again, to be very, very honest. And you can see there's the tag on the inside as well. All that is still there, and I know that I'm not going to find that good of a deal again. So it just becomes a question of like, okay, do I want to sell these or do I want to wear these? So I guess the reason I'm putting these in the video is, does anybody want a pair of Onyx foam runners? Let me know. Used pair, probably be selling for around 150 or 160 right now. So just let me know if you guys want these. That would be my price, between 150 and 160. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram if you want these size 10 Onyx foams. Nobody wants them, then I'm just gonna keep them and wear them. So first one right there, Onyx foams. They're nice. I'm glad that I was able to get this deal. Oh, and by the way, don't forget, guys, my I'm gonna be, popping this up in the video. My new cook group coming soon. Of course, I worked with other ones in the past, but this is kind of my own independent one that I got coming soon. Just with that, I got a whole team with it. We got monitors, some botters that'll be copping items for people. A lot of different things. We've got it all set up, and it looks pretty solid. So if you guys are interested, just go follow the Instagram there. Stay tuned for details. We're going to be launching around, kind of end of August, mid-August. We'll see when we get, that done and kind of around what time, but it's just looking good. I think you guys are really going to appreciate what we have to offer. A lot of stuff has been added. It's going to be very helpful in my opinion. So yeah, aside from that, another one I want to show you all. This is from somebody that actually plays in my hometown. Shout out LaMelo Ball. I got an incredible deal on this. So shout out to Grill Caviar for the deal on these on their Whatnot live stream. Did I miss their what? I think I might have missed their Whatnot live stream yesterday, but I can't remember if I did or did not. But aside from that, this is size 11.5 on his recent Puma sneakers that he's gotten. I got these. I want y'all to check the price that I got these for, okay? I'm going to fold this up so y'all can't see my address or nothing. But look the price that I got these for. Ready? Size 11.5, dead stock. Y'all see the price right there? Y'all see that? Are y'all seeing that? Hopefully it is showing on the end there. But yeah, $143. That's what I got these for. Now, market on a size 11.5, keep in mind, is around 250. There's been some sales above 300 in an 11.5. A lot of 280 as well. So I got these pair of LaMelos, right, for 140. Sadly, not my personal size, because these are clean. These are clean as anything. And here y'all go. It's dead stock pair. Of course, LaMelo always calling himself rare. I do think he is a special player, so I think that is perfectly fair to say. Of course, he always is commenting about that 101. I'm pretty sure his most recent Instagram caption has called himself 101, or at least on the Hornets Instagram page. But really, Puma actually did their thing. I gotta give Puma some credit here. This is a really clean sneaker. Like, these are probably nice to play a little bit of ball in. Of course, the not from here too. Classic LaMelo quotes that you're seeing all over the sneaker. And I think they're going to definitely make, they've already made, that Rick and Morty collaboration, a couple others, with this model. But I think they're going to do a couple more things with it. And they're performing well. There is no doubt about them. Not a lot of pairs. And again, that size 11.5 is up there at like 250, 280, some sales at 300. So the fact that I was able to get these for, pretty much after taxes and shipping, I was able to pay 165 and get this pair. Yeah, we definitely made a great come up buying this, and we'll kind of see what we do with it in the future. But shout out LaMelo. You've been balling for the Hornets. I really appreciate that. It's dope what you've done for the city for at least kind of that. And yeah, aside from that right there, I got to be real, that all the deals that I got canceled out, and it's so disappointing. Not canceled out completely. Like, I still made profit overall on everything, but one deal in particular from one Whatnot user, it just makes me say, I'm so upset by it. I got ripped off, like pretty much ripped off hard. All these pairs are legit right here that I'm showing y'all, but it was from a user called like Bratty Kicks or like AZ or something. And don't go send no hate, don't go send nothing, right? Leave them be. But they completely ripped me off, man. Like this was supposed to be $850 value, these 4 sneakers right here. And these 4 sneakers total value off me giving them leeway on best StockX prices, $705 at best. And I paid $850 after taxes and everything. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I paid. And I just got straight up ripped off. Definition of ripped off here, and I'm gonna show y'all it. But yeah, everything else, great deal. Shout out Grail Caviar, you know, A and B soles, sneakers. I'm gonna show y'all that in a second too. But yeah, another one we got right here, the Lamellos. Super clean pair. If it was my personal size, I'd be like, yeah, I might have to. These are dope. And Lamello's got a lot of life left in him. You know, he's a unique player with the style. Kind of, you know, how he's just kind of, I guess, I wouldn't say like, he's kind of flashy with, you know, how he plays, and I think it's interesting play style, but I love it. I think it's dope. And aside from that, I'm gonna show y'all how I got ripped off in a second. Bratty Kicks at AZ. I don't know why you did me like that. So dirty. On live stream too, and I understand it was supposed to be a mystery box, but this is like a sneaker store mystery box. If you know what I mean. Because sneaker stores just love that classically rip people off. If your local sneaker store is ever saying, hey, we're doing mystery box, hit me up if you're interested, you know, do not do it. Do not do it. They're just going to sell you bricks like I got sold here. So aside from that, another one I want to show y'all again is the Bart Simpson SBs. I just can't stop looking at this. It's so disappointing, but this is a nice thing to have at least. Got these from retail, Bart Simpsons. Of course, shout out to Sneakers for blessing me that one day. Already got my military blacks in too that they had blessed me with, and you know, we're holding all those. But a really clean Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. I love what they've done here. Of course, the colorway, you know, is again that of, you know, Bart Simpson, his outfits that he used to wear while, you know, in The Simpsons. I don't know why I'm referring to it in the past tense because The Simpsons is still around today. But yeah, aside from that, you also got the bright green inside. I just knocked over the box, but we're gonna get that back up right there. So aside from that, a couple of things I want to show you all about the Bart Simpsons. We got some different color laces. Don't forget, I'm gonna try and show you all this classic, you know, Dunk SB wrapping paper. But yeah, here's the other laces that they got. Of course, they got that kind of red set that's on right there, and then the bright green ones in here. So just gonna fold that back up, and now we're gonna get into kind of what I've been wanting to discuss here. But yeah, great quality. I love the, you know, everything that they've used on the sneaker here. I think this is well done. Shout out Nike, you did a good job. But yeah, let me show you all what a classic example of getting ripped off to your face is. Because this is pretty much what it was. I mean, I bought this on Whatnot. Whatnot has a lot of good deals. I just need to stay away from, I guess, you know, certain users, I guess, and just kind of stick with the ones I like. You know, stick with Grail Caviar, a couple other people. But yeah, this is just ridiculous. So of course we got a pair of, you know, the infrared grade school pairs, right? These go for like $190 on StockX, but the fact is that it's going to be extremely hard. I did not mean to drop that either. My bad on that, but it's going to be extremely hard for me to sell these, right? Look, I mean, they said they're valuing these at $200, but I mean, if I'm able to get someone who pays $190 for these, I would be very surprised. So infrared grade schools, I mean, let's be real. They might be doing a little bit better in the future, but that is a brick. I mean, just go look at the regular infrareds. Those sneakers are not, they're not doing too hot, right? Like if this had been an adult size, I'd be cool. I probably wouldn't even be talking about this. Well, no, I definitely still would be, because I still got more to show y'all. Y'all gonna be laughing at me in a second. But first one, infrared grade schools, and then this one I was like, this was just when I knew that this is just when I knew I took an L, man. I saw these, bro, in the box. What are these? These are butt ugly, but I mean, they're worth like $140 at best. Again, that's me being kind and giving, you know, leeway. But just another example, man. Straight up, no. This is size 6.5 too. These are 6.5s too. And you know what? The crazy part is that this box on Whatnot was listed as all size 8s. And yeah, it was supposed to be all size 8s, man. And it just, like, these are grade school pairs. It was supposed to be, you know, 8 women's, which is 6.5 in grade school. I understand that, but it just, I mean, let's be, come on. I'm literally speechless. But yeah, aside from that, here's another one, right? This is actually the only pair that I saw, and I was like, okay, this actually is something I could sell. But yeah, we got the Atmospheres grade school, AW. good pair. I'm actually happy that I got these ones because this is something I will be able to sell, so that's nice. Worth about $235. You know, again, if I was being fair, $235. Again, I'm not a sneaker store, so I can't put these sneaker store prices. So maybe this box, they were thinking like, oh, this is fair value. This is stuff we could sell for $850. Not your average person, bro. So yeah, and I still, y'all gotta let me know down below if I am tweaking or if this is definitely a bad box. So just feel free to let me know. Am I in the wrong or what is going on? Because for $850, Brady Kicks AZ, you destroyed. I basically set some money on fire. Like I should just take $100 bill and light it on fire. That's pretty much what more. But yeah, Dunkai Panda and women's sizes, 8W. I mean, again, it's a clean pair. I like it. This one will probably be able to sell too, but worth about $135. So again, if you're here doing the math with me right now, you'll realize that was nowhere near $850. That was $705 if you add up 140, 190, 140, and 235. And that's me having the best top ass on StockX and me getting every single price I want, which if you're a reseller, is it realistic to get every single price that you want? No. So yeah, just again, I don't want you all sending nothing negative to them, nothing like that. But I mean, if they DM'd me and we're like, yo, why'd you talk about us? I'd be like, y'all ripped me off to my face. So, and that's not gonna happen. But aside from that, well, it is gonna happen because it just did, but then there's nothing I can do. So aside from that, at least I was able to rate the box and whatnot. But yeah, aside from all the basics right here, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Hey, no problem with that. Like, well, I didn't even set one at the start, but I'm pretty sure I popped up like 280, so let's try and get 280. That'd be cool. Let me know what you thought of some of these sneakers. I wish I had the Phillies SBs that I could show you all in this video, but those are getting shipped to a different place, and they're not at that place yet. So, yeah, we're back home filming here. We got the Spring Arcade, all that. Hopefully y'all notice it is a little bit different. But yeah, I had a great, amazing profit unboxing, and then I just got struck down on one knee. Like, someone just slashed both my knees, man, and just knocked me down. But I don't even know what to say, bro. It was that last 4 pairs just bad. Not worth anywhere near $850, but we're done talking about it. I'm Tristan. Check me out down below. Check out my cook group coming soon, Hype Lab CG. Follow the Instagram there. And that's everything I need to say. I'm Tristan, and thank y'all for watching. Peace.